and get you. Would you? You think you're so clever. Oh, it's because I am. Evil looking parrot. Look at your crazy eyes. Go hop around some. Look, Harry's gonna get you. He wants to eat your head off. He does. He wants to eat you. You look so edible. Put the eyes away. Put your eyes away. Where are you going? Where are you going? I can see you over here. He's gonna get you. What? I'm allowed to follow you around, aren't I? I'm my parrot. Isn't it funny?